Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to do a little script so we don't have to run the following two commands in two different terminals on your Pi if you're receiving the Ghost satellite images from like Ghost 1617. So if you follow the online tutorial on GitHub, you'll know that you'll have to run this following command and that command, then we have to run this big command here in order to run the RTL and this command to download the images. And you normally run this in two separate terminals. So we're just going to do a little script to make this a little easier for us. So we're just going to make a little sh here script, and we're just going to name this goesrtl.sh, and it's a new file. So what we're going to do is we're just going to paste in the following here, and I've made this up a little bit to help out myself and others if you're running in this issue. So anyway, we're going to run a bash file. We're going to let it sleep 20 seconds. So on startup, it won't start till after 20 seconds. Then we're just going to make this sh file on the home directory, on the pod directory. So if you got something, your username different, you'll have to change this. So we just have the command here, so we can save this with a Control X, Y, and enter. Now we're going to make another one for receive the images. So we're just going to name this goes recv.sh, and we're basically going to paste in the same thing, but obviously with the other longer command. And normally when I run this Ghost setup, I always start the RTL first before this long command here to download. So I added another 5 seconds to this. So it'll give the RTL time to start, flatten out a little bit for a couple seconds, and start running this command. So the same thing, Control X, Y, enter. So now we need to make these run. So we need to make them executable. So we can do a chmod plus X goes RT, then just hit tab. Then we're going to do the same thing for the one to download the images. So we can go ahead and do that. All right, so if we do an ls, as you can see, they're green, so they're good. So now we are going to get into the Crontab. We're going to do a -E. Then it might come up and ask you if you want to use Nano or another different editor. So we're just going to get rid of that guy. So here on the bottom, you will want to add, we'll just do an @ sign. Let me get over here, @reboot. Then we're going to do home, Pi. Then we can do a goes rtl.sh. Then we're going to put the following little & sign there to make sure it keeps running. Then we're just going to type the same thing. And I have a link to my website for all this, so you don't have to type this all out. But it don't hurt to learn, I guess. So anyway, so right now on boot up, this will start the script that we made for each, and it'll delay this one 20 seconds and this one 25 seconds. Now you can always change that if you want, but I don't see a problem. We'll just let it go. So we could do a Control X, Y, and enter. Then we have a new Chrome tab. So if we do an H top or top, as you can see, we're not running nothing here. So RTL is not running. So we're just going to do a sudo reboot. Alright, so now we're in here. We're logged back in, rebooted. And as you can see, we're running here. And now HTOP shows things a little bit different compared to top. But if we go here to top, we can type in top. And as you can see, we're running here, running the RTL. And further down here is the command for the receiving the images. So HTOP might show that a little bit better right here somewhere. So everything's should be good to go. So hopefully this helped out. And, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another one.